The Inside Wireman Apprenticeship is a 5-year program consisting of paid on-the-job training out in the field and unpaid related classroom training. The program can be shorter for those with previous work experience, a 2-year electrical construction and maintenance degree, or electrical military occupational specialty MOS. During the school year, apprentices attend class 1 day per week for 30 weeks and work 4 days per week. During the summer months, apprentices work full-time with a contractor. Upon successful completion of the program, apprentices should have the required 8,000 hours of work experience needed to take the Minnesota Class A Journey Worker License exam. Passing of this exam reclassifies apprentices as journey worker electricians and releases them from the program to work full-time in the field. The apprenticeship is not merely a job, but the gateway to a lifelong career in the electrical industry. After graduation, there are additional opportunities for advancement, including master electrician, foreman, general foreman, shop owner, etc. Related classroom training includes lecture, in-depth discussion of the NFPA 70 National Electrical Codebook, and practical hands-on lab training in our state-of-the-art 40,000 square foot training center. As a 292 member, apprentices receive a livable wage and benefits package. On top of fair base wages, members also receive money into a personal savings account for vacation holiday time. A full health and welfare plan, including vision and dental that also covers spouse and dependents, pension, annuity, and small benefits supporting the JATC and labor management funds, equaling a generous total package. Apprentices start at first period pay, which is 45% of the current journey worker rate, and receive annual raises based on work hours and training completion. Current wage and benefit rates are available on our website. Work as an apprentice can be diverse and challenging. When first hired into the program, apprentices are sent out to work with one of our union contractors. Individuals can stay with a shop for up to 6 months and will then be transferred to a different contractor. This ensures that apprentices receive a broad spectrum of experience out in the field. If an apprentice is laid off before the 6-month period has elapsed, they will be sent back out to a different contractor if work is available. If no work is available at the time, they will sign the out-of-work book. Apprentices on the out-of-work book are sent back out to work in the order that they were laid off and are eligible to collect unemployment while they wait to return to work. Apprentices see a large variety of electrical construction work, including, but not limited to, project layout and planning, thin wall or rigid conduit raceway systems, installing, splicing, and terminating of wires and cables, testing, service, and troubleshooting, welding, material handling and prefab, safety awareness, medium voltage, solar and other renewable energy technology, installation of underground systems, service, switchboards and panels, motor control centers, fire alarms, lighting systems, cable tray, motors, transformers, sound communication and security systems, instrumentation and process control systems, electrical devices, and programmable logic controllers. Basic requirements include: applicant must be 18 if hired, 17 to apply, have a valid driver's license, have a high school diploma, GED, or 2-year associate's degree or higher, and have completed at least 1 full credit of basic algebra or equivalent or higher with a passing grade of C or better. The apprenticeship is not for everyone. Work can be physically taxing and challenging, but also very rewarding. Apprentices should be able and willing to safely perform or learn to safely perform the essential functions of the job, get to and from work at job sites anywhere within the 292 jurisdiction, attend and pass all related instruction, understand and follow all JATC rules and policies, climb and work from ladders, scaffolds, poles, and towers of various heights, push, pull, crawl, crouch, and work in confined spaces such as attics, manholes, and crawl spaces, lift 25 to 50-pound objects on a fairly consistent schedule, and use various hand and power-assisted tools to install conduit, wiring, fixtures, devices, and electrical apparatus within commercial, industrial, and residential buildings. Read, hear, speak, and understand instructions and warnings in English. An aptitude for algebra and interest in hands-on work are needed for success. Applicants are required to pay a $25 fee to apply for the apprenticeship. If accepted into the program, apprentices join 292 as a union member and pay initiation fee and dues. Apprentices are responsible for purchasing their own hand tools from the required tool list given at orientation before beginning work. Textbooks and materials must also be purchased each school year, which average about $490 per year. The apprenticeship is an earn while you learn program and does not require typical upfront tuition fees. Instead, at the start of each school year, apprentices sign a scholarship loan agreement that calculates the total minimum cost of training for that year. The scholarship loan must be repaid by the apprentice in full, either in cash or more commonly by in-kind credits. A member receives an in-kind credit for each journeyman working year of their employment after completion of the program. Each credit pays back 1 year of apprenticeship training. For more information or to apply online, visit us at www.mplsjatc.org.